what you order.
Hi, Zola. It's me, Papa.
Hi.
Zola, I'd like to order... Ano naman? Zaza! Hello!
Good afternoon. What is your order, ma'am?
What is your order, Mom?
I repeat your order, ma'am. What order, mama?
How do you know it's right?
I don't know.
You need to join us.
Let me give it to them.
Thank you po. Next window na lang.
Okay. Go around. Kukurenin taon pag taga.